Hello friends, welcome back to EduTap. In this session, we are going to discuss a very important issue that is a issue that is prevailing among the aspirants of SEBI Grade A examination. So if a graduate is a non-commerce graduate, then the common question that comes to one's mind is, being a non-commerce graduate, can a student clear the SEBI Grade A examination, friends? So in this session, we will address this particular question. So before we proceed ahead, I would like to inform you that the SEBI notifications question, will it be out or no? There are many questions that are prevailing in one's mind. See, eventually the notification would be out. So do not focus on that. This video is to address all those aspirants who are seriously preparing for the SEBI Grade A examination, friends. So now let us move ahead and try to address this particular question, because of which the video is brought out here. So friends, before we proceed ahead, I would like to inform you about this SEBI Grade A comprehensive guidebook that we have brought here. In this session, in this book, you will find all the information regarding SEBI that will address about that consists the information about the examination pattern and the institution hierarchical structure, everything. So it has the definitive answers to all your questions. So friends, the comprehensive guidebook will save three aspects of yours. One is, it will save your time, effort, and most importantly, it will guide you in the right direction. So the most important thing that I would like to inform you about the guidebook is, it is available free of cost. And where is it available? So the description, the link to download this is provided in the description box below, friends. You can download it from there and get all the answers to all the questions that are prevailing in your mind. So now let us move ahead and address the main question that because of which we have brought out this particular session. Can non-commerce graduate clear the examination? So friends, based on the previous year selected candidates, we have brought out an empirical evidence that more than 60% students are from non-commerce graduate, like they are from MSc, PG diploma. So this is a very healthy number. 60% is a decent enough number to give you boost, to act as a stimulant to your preparation, that if these many people are able to clear the examination, then even you can clear the examination. So this important fact should quell all the fears that are persisting in your mind. And apart from that, friends, the syllabus seems very vast, but it is not so. Because if you look at the syllabus, that is, there are 6 subjects like commerce and accountancy, costing, management, finance, economics, and the Companies Act. Though it seems very vast, but the syllabus is restricted, which is defined precisely by the SEBI Grade A examination. So by putting in the efforts in right direction, you can very well complete the entire syllabus within the mentioned time. So friends, the one more important aspect, the syllabus is not very technical. Like if you look at the subjects that I have mentioned here, only commerce and graduate is technical. Rest, management is theoretical subject. Finance, there are few subjects, but most of the topics are again theoretical. Companies Act is theoretical. Only if costing is theoretical. If there are subjects which are quite technical in nature, then they are commerce and accountancy, friends, and other one is a bit of economics. Rest all, it is a very theoretical subjects. By reading and revising them multiple times, you can very well do in the examination in those subjects. And the last and the most important question that brings us, that will address all the fear that exists in our mind. So being a non-commerce graduate, can you really clear this exam? See, there are 6 subjects, out of which commerce and accountancy is only one subject. The 5 subjects are entirely new, or they are like it has a level playing field to everyone. In the examination, there are 50 questions, friends, and if the commerce and accountancy section consists of there are 8 questions pertaining to that section, then even if you study decent enough, you would be able to answer 3 to 4 questions. But the real competition, the challenge lies in scoring very well in remaining subject, friends. So you see, the address the main issue that was prevailing among you, that is commerce and commerce graduate having an edge in this particular examination, or will he clear this particular examination with ease? And to address that question, we have clearly spelled out various reasons because of which it is crystal clear that even a non-commerce graduate can clear the exam, and the number is pretty healthy, that is 60%. So every subject has its importance. If you give importance to other 5 subjects and do pretty well in them, then you can very easily clear this particular examination, friends. So this was all with regard to this video, that is the question, can a non-commerce graduate clear this SEBI Grade A examination, friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all we have in this particular session. Thank